Hey folks, today is September the 25th. It's currently 8:17 in the afternoon. We're going to do our Bounce Trader Week 1 update. So this is our very first update. And as I mentioned in the two previous videos, if you have tried to go to EmpireAmbition.com, it is down. And I'm currently working with support to try and figure out what's going on and get it fixed. Hopefully we will have it fixed by Monday the 28th. All right, with that being said, let's go ahead and jump in. We'll take a look at my MyFX book, and we'll also go into the MT4. And I also want to address a question that I got from you guys that I saw under one of the videos and also on the website. All right, so if we take a look here, we can see that right now I'm down 2.03%. And this week, obviously, 2.03%. And today alone, down 1.39%. And I believe we took, let me see here, history. All right, so that first trade, I'm pretty sure the trailing stop took us out on that one. And these other two, these were full stop outs or close to it. You can see here, this one was, what is that, 68.97. And then this one was 36.48. So these were definitely larger stops. And if we take a look at, all right, give me 1 second here. And GBP USD. Let's see if we can pull this up here. Where is it at? All right, here it is. All right, so as you guys can see here, we got hit by the trailing stop. And so that's why this was such a small win for us. But on these other ones, where is that? Let's take a look. And we can make this a bit bigger so we can see it better. All right. So this was a buy. We got in here. And obviously, we got stopped out there. And we can take a quick peek at this one as well. All right. Similar situation. Took a buy. Got stopped out right there. One thing I found interesting is that the profit targets were a lot larger than our stops. So for example, you can see here we had 37 for our stop, but the profit target was, I'm not sure if it was 2-to-1 or 3-to-1, but it was definitely larger than our stop when I took a look at it. And the same with this one here. I'm pretty sure our profit target was significantly larger. In this particular instance, it looks like we went up about 37 pips before it came down and took us out here for about a 68 pip loss, which is unfortunate, but it is what it is. Obviously, we cannot control the markets. Let me see here. I'm just curious why our trailing stop did not kick in on this one. Because I saw it move the stop up on this particular trade. It moved it up to break even, and then it moved it up a few pips into profit. And the market came down and touched us. And obviously it did continue to go back up another 50 pips. So that was unfortunate that we got taken out here. This one, it just came down to hit our stop. But yeah, I'm not sure why it didn't choose to use that trailing stop, because that was about, what, 40 pips in profit. So I'm not sure about that. We'll definitely need to see some more data and see exactly what happened with that. All right, this account was open on the 21st, so that was Monday. So it looks like we took trades on each day of this week, 22nd, 23rd, 24th. So didn't take any trades on Friday. That might just be in the code where it doesn't take trades on Fridays. We'll have to keep watching it and see if we ever get any trades on Fridays. All right, now that we've taken a peek here at the actual MT4 chart and as well the MyFX book account, let's jump over here just to see. All right, so as you can see here, we had several days this week with Fed Chair Powell speaking on Monday, on Tuesday, on Wednesday, along with Flash Manufacturing PMI, on Thursday as well. And then Friday we had USD Core Durable Goods orders. All right, now I wanted to address something that you guys left in the comment section as far as the where is it at here? The MyFX book that's actually on the website here. That is this. You guys brought it to my attention that there was no trading going on since I think about 2 weeks. What's that, 9 or September 10th? All right, so that's basically, it looks like they shut it down or something happened last week and it wasn't started back up this week. I did send in a message to support to see exactly what's going on with that. They got back to me and they said they were going to look into it and see what's going on. So hopefully this will get sorted out. I know I've had this issue before, like with the Randall Fund, where it only updates after I restart for some reason or other. But yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know I did look into this, and they did state that they were going to look into it and try to figure out what's going on. So I'll update you guys hopefully on next week so that we can see exactly what's going on, and hopefully this will be resolved by then, as well as the website issue. I'm seriously looking at just revamping the website and going a different direction with it. Obviously, the main goal is going to still be to give you guys the information, but we'll see. I'm going to make some changes with it because this has happened a few times in the past, and I'm honestly getting tired of the company that I'm with right now and the issues I'm having. So we'll see how things go next week, and you might see some changes to the website as well. All right, so that's going to be it. Like I said, down 2.03% for the week. Obviously, not the best start. You can see this was a $5,000 sim account to begin with. And even though we did start out with a losing week, obviously this is the first week of testing. So I'm not going to read too much into this. Just based on what we've seen back here, you know, they went from 202%. And they had a losing period there, and it dropped down to 133%, guys. So obviously there are going to be losing periods, but after those losing periods, we have these nice big pushes up on the equity curve. Nothing is going to be straight up. So we're definitely going to continue watching it, let it run, and hopefully we're not starting the test in one of these periods. Hopefully we'll get a nice push up in the equity curve here shortly. I am happy to see that the profit targets are significantly larger than the stops, which is basically what I've seen so far. I'm not sure if it's going to be like that on every setup. And actually, let me see here. So it looks like that might be the take profit way up there, and that might be the stop right there. All right, and for this one again, you can see take profit right there, stop right there. So you guys can see 68, 100, and for this one, the stop was 108, and profit target was 197. So you guys can definitely see what I was talking about with the profit targets being larger, which is definitely a good thing. So on certain trades, we are going to get runners, guys. And when we get those runners and we get a 200 pip win, obviously that's going to make up for a few 37 pip losses. Okay, and this one obviously didn't go. All right, so yeah, it did come down to the full stop there. And it looks like on this one, it didn't get all the way down to that full stop. It closed it out early. All right. So I'm glad I was able to see that here. So hopefully in the future, we'll see a few of these complete full winning trades. And again, I'm not sure why it used the trailing stop in one instance, but didn't use the trailing stop in another instance here, for example. So anyway, we'll keep watching it and see what happens, guys. All right, if you guys have any questions whatsoever on Bounce Trader, make sure you send them my way and I'll try to get them answered. And if you guys want to test it out for yourself, make sure you use the link below. All right, hope you guys have a great weekend, and I will see you on the next weekly update review on the 2nd of October. Take care, folks.